helping out a friend earlier today, do some fertilizing. It was supposed to rain really heavy today, but it didn't. So I decided I want to put some fertilizer down. Today is the 2nd of October, and we're getting down close to, fall fertilizer application time. It's time to put an application of fertilizer down. I'm not going to go really heavy, maybe about a half a pound per 1,000 of urea. So I've got my little fertilizer stash right here. That's open too much. I'm going to put down some urea. I've got that right here. And about at a setting on this spreader, about an 8 or 9, I know that is going to yield me about a half a pound of nitrogen per 1,000. So I'm just going to fill this up. Man, my spreader has seen better days for sure. It is tired and worn out. The plate that closes the hopper is pretty much worn out. It's a $70 part to fix that. I just haven't gotten a new one yet. So I'm going to put this on about an 8, and then I'm going to spread this. It should yield about a half a pound of nitrogen per 1,000. It's going to kind of go over this section, and then it's not very much fertilizer. That's a light dose. I would like to do about 1 to 2 to 3 more applications of light spoon feeding applications of nitrogen before the end of the year. Today is the 2nd of October. So I'm just going to put this in there. This is urea. It's a 4600 blend. And then I've got some other stuff here. I've got a 1616 here. A little bit of starter fertilizer, and then I've got some fertilizer over there. I scored, man. I got that all for free. Oh, my wagon's got a flat tire. Dang it. Come on. So I've got it in here. I just want to spread this at about a half a pound of nitrogen per 1,000. It's a really low, light dose. And let's get to it. One thing I really like about having a shortcut lawn, amongst other things, you can see the fertilizer on the lawn really well when you fertilize. So check this out. Okay, you can physically see the fertilizer kind of everywhere, and so it makes it really easy to see if you have somewhat of a good application distribution wise. Guys, so now, it being the fall, it's October 2nd, now is the time that you want to really kind of be loading up the light spoon feedings of nitrogen so you can prepare the grass to have good storage to go over the winter, and then in the spring it'll be green, and it'll be greener than anybody else's lawn around you, and it'll green up first. So right now is definitely the time to do this. I spread about, I don't know, look how much I have left. It wasn't that much. So I went over this 2 times. I probably put down a little more than a half a pound of nitrogen per 1,000, probably more in the 3/4, maybe 60%, 0.6 of a pound of nitrogen per 1,000. But I want to do about 2 more applications of this before the winter sets in. Now is the time to be doing that. So if you've not applied Pre-Emergent and you're thinking you may want to do that for the fall, I applied mine about a month ago. Get on it. Get the granular Pre-Emergent. It's going to have the active ingredient prodiamine. I will link to a product down below that you can get from Do My Own. And yeah, you want to get the Pre-Emergent down right away if you have not. You want to prevent those winter weeds from kind of springing up. They're probably likely already kind of germinated at this point. Oh man, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. The sunset, the mountain right there. Oh man, it's just fantastic. So, and there it goes. So the sun is gone. And it is only 6:30, man. Whoo, that is sucky. 6:30 and the sun is behind the mountain over there. So anyways, so that's going to pretty well wrap it up. I'm going to continue to spread nitrogen over there and around the back. I want to do a full application of nitrogen. It's supposed to rain. It was supposed to rain heavy today. It didn't rain at all, maybe a sprinkle. Tonight I will likely turn the sprinklers on, if not tomorrow. So, but man, and it's pretty windy here too, so I'm not so sure if the sprinklers are going to work out. So it's pretty windy right now. I'm not so sure that the sprinklers are going to work out tonight. But I need to water this fertilizer in, and I need to water in that choice O2 that I just put down. So anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button down below and share my videos with people you know. If they are trying to have a really nice looking lawn and are interested in possibly what I'm doing here, share it with your friends or family. Hit the like button, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.